Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial in Microsoft Outlook. So in this quick tutorial, I have one of my Microsoft Outlook accounts open, and you're seeing some emails in my inbox. But let's say I want to see my calendar. Well, I can come over on the left and click on my calendar, and now we'll see my calendar for the week. Having said that, I'm going to go back to email by clicking on the email icon. But let's say that I want to plan my week a little bit and I want to see both my email and my calendar at the same time. I'm going to go to the calendar. I'm going to right click on it and go open in new window. And what it does is it opens up my calendar in its own unique window. See right there behind the scenes is my email account, but here's my calendar for Microsoft Outlook. So now what I can do is I can actually come up on the maximize icon, but what I can do is choose how I want this split. So I'm going to choose this one. And now what it did is it put my calendar over on the left. Now there's a little more information than I need right here, and my email on the right. In an upcoming tutorial, one of my next tutorials, I'm going to show you how to manage this a little bit more effectively, where you can take your emails and start planning your week by simply moving them to your calendar. That'll be one of my next tutorials. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now. Thank you.